Hello, let's solve for x. In today's equation, we have x open bracket x minus 7 is equals to 0. So, how do we solve this equation? Some might say that we multiply the x outside to the inside numbers, but we already have the factors here. So, we're just going to say x is equals to 0 or x minus 7 is equals to 0, then x is equals to 7. Remember, when you take a number from this side to the other side of the equation, it changes the sign. There we go. Hello, let's solve for x. In today's equation, we have x squared minus x minus 20 is equals to 0. So today we are working with a quadratic equation. So how do we solve this equation? We are going to factorize the equation. We are going to look for two numbers that when you add them, they give you minus 1. When you multiply them, they give you minus 20. So we have minus 5 plus 4. Then from there, we say x minus 5 is equals to 0 or x plus 4 is equals to 0. Then we say x is equals to 5. Remember, when you take a number from this side to the other side of the equation, it changes sign. This is or x is equals to minus 4. Hello, let's solve for x. In today's equation, we have x minus 6 plus 2 divided by x is equals to 0. So we are going to put this equation in order. How do we do that? We're going to multiply each term by x. X times x is minus 6 times x plus 2 divided by x times x is equals to 0 times x. Okay, therefore we're going to have x squared minus 6x plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, then from here they said that we should correct this to two decimal place, meaning that we cannot be able to factorize this equation. We're just going to use quadratic formula, which says x is equals to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Okay, then we're going to remove the value of a, which is 1, the value of b minus 6, the value of c is 2. Then we're going to substitute these values here. Then we will have x is equals to minus 6 plus or minus 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2 all divided by 2 times 1. Okay, therefore x is equals to 6 plus minus, if you work this out, you're going to have 28. Okay, therefore we say x divide by 2. Okay, therefore x is equals to 6 plus 28 divided by 2, or x is equals to 6 minus 28 all divided by 2. Put this on a calculator. Remember, put this on a calculator. If you put this on a calculator, you'll have 5,65, or x is equals to, put this on a calculator, you have 0,35.